Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today we're looking at the Ferrari Collection, the history, the dream, the myth. Now this is the California, so magazine number 5 in the collection. So we'll have a quick look at the die-cast car at the end. I'll put it on a turntable. Have a look at the magazine, go through, see what they have a write-up of. I won't be reading this in full detail, but I will go through what you get in each magazine. So inside this issue, you get the driver's page 3 to 7 of the Italian Flair Alberto Ascari. Production model, the California 2008. The competition models is the second season racer 166SC. And the poster is of the new California modern twist on a legend. So you do get a poster in each one of these magazines. I have not removed them. I do not have enough wall space to do that, but I guess I probably could if I did. Italian Flair. So this is, was it Alberto Ascari? I won't go reading through all of this stuff in huge detail. If you want to have a look at it, you can actually pause the video and read what's written there. Unbeatable combination. During the 1950s, two names constantly made newspaper headlines: Alberto Ascari and Ferrari. Very nice. Not going to read the whole story, as I said. The 166, I think we do get a die-cast car of that in this Ferrari collection, if it's not in the Formula 1 car collection. So with Alberto Ascari, 1950, he came second in Monaco, second at Monza. That's it, and came fourth overall. 1951, second at Belgium, France, first in Germany and Italy, came second overall. In 1952, he came first in Belgium, French, British, German, Dutch, Italian, and first overall. In the 53, he came first in Argentinian GP, the Dutch, the Belgian, the British, and the Swiss, and was first overall as well. There you go. Very nice. California. This is a 2008, so in the late 2000s, I decided to reinterpret the celebrated 250 GT California, and the key of the present day resulted in the fascinating new version of the car that has inspired the dreams of thousands of Ferrari fans for half a century. It's actually a nice looking car. One page there? No, two. Okay, here's our part of our poster section. You can see that the back of the car is here. I'm sure in a couple of pages it'll be the front. The Great Ferraris California. It's in the poster. Yep, there we go. Very nice. Obviously all these posters have the staples of the magazine through them. And a Ferrari blue. Nice. With a full hardtop color, convertible. Very nice. Let's keep moving through here. Technical specifications was a 90-degree V8, 4.297 cc, so 4.3 litre V8. With performance maximum speed of 310 kilometers per hour or 193 mile per hour. Very good. Doesn't say how much power it had, does it? Oh, there we go. 480 brake horsepower at 7,750 RPM. All right, second season racer, 1948 Ferrari entered into the season competitive with a 2-litre 166. Oh, this is the 166. Not the one that Ascari was driving that I was reading about. Okay. The 166 SC Sports Corsa model has a 60-degree V12, 2-litre or 1.995.02 to be exact, with a power of 130 brake horsepower at 6,500 RPM. Top speed of 170 or 106 mile an hour. Considering you're sitting in a small tube with no roof, that's getting moving, I guess. Many of the photographs taken at the Miglia starting point at the Piazza del Vittoria in Brescia on the 2nd of May 1948. Tazio Nuvel, oh man, I can't read these names. Nuvolari in jacket and tie is pictured before the race, talking to the organisers in the race. Other drivers and old friends such as Decimo Compan. Oh man, I'll let you read that. I can't read it. All right, coming up in part 6, we get the 360 Modena model in 143 scale and a write-up about it. We'll get a poster, competition models of the 250 GT, production models of the 360 Modena or Modena, and the single-seater was the F1 641. I'll have a read up on that in the next magazine. This particular 143 scale car, we'll have a closer look, see if I can get some details on this camera. Convertible, tan leather, we have a silver, I'm guessing it's a handbrake and or grab handle center area. Also infotainment center, the silver as well. Around the small dashes, gauges and air vents are all got a silver edging. Do have a roof mirror in there. And talking about the mirrors, first time my mother came over to my place and saw my little Ferrari sitting on the shelf, she gravitated to this one, picked it up and knocked the mirror off. These mirrors are actually quite fragile. I have glued, I think it's the passenger one, back on again just not long before I made this video. It does come off really easily. But I tell you what, nice model car. It's got my thumbprint on there now. Ferrari badge at the front. We also have the prancing horse in silver and a silver ring around that air vent there. These are really well done. Does look like we have disc brakes in there and calipers, but they're not painted. They all look black. Maybe that's the way they came. Pipes on the back. Make sure I don't touch those mirrors. Your Ferrari wording on the boot there. You've got the prancing horse printed, 4 pipes coming out the back. Very nice. Underneath just says Ferrari California with 143 made in China and slight detail. Not a lot to it. I will put this on, feels like we've got, it's a rubbery plastic. Oh, we do have Ferrari on the wheels. Oh, can we get that one to focus? There we go. Little emblem on the center caps, as well as the ones on the side. I'll put that on the display turntable for you. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in going through these magazines with me, definitely hit that subscribe. I'm going to be going through these probably on a weekly basis until I run out of this particular collection. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.